How you doing, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear shocks in the Ford Explorer Sport Track 2005. So these the shocks. Alright, so we have to remove the spare tire on this truck because we need more access to the bolts on the upper level. And we use the penetrator oil with the nut. In this pickup truck we have a tool like this to use low the spare tire. So you see the hole, you put the tool over there. Okay, when you find the hole, you can twist like this to lower the spare tire. So if you don't have this tool, you can use a flathead or flat screwdriver, long, and put in the hole and start twisting. Okay, we take the spare tire out so we have more space to work, and we find the bolts on the top to the shocks. Okay, we use the number 18 on the bolt and 15 on the screw. Before we take this one out, we put the jack on the spring just in case don't drop. Okay, and the top bolt is number 13. Okay, the screw on top is a little difficult, but we can have the access to take out. Okay, the left side shocks is out, but we have to take this one out. This one is like a evaporator for the gas. So you see, is the hole for the shocks. The base. This is the old shock, the new shock. Okay, so I am finished with the job. This is the new shocks. No, that's good. So thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't be scared. If I can do it, anybody can do. Thank you.